It's been quite a while since we've seen a truly bold new design from Apple for the iPhone. If we go back to 2019 and examine each iteration since, the changes have felt more evolutionary than revolutionary. And honestly, many people are itching for something new. So what does Apple have up its sleeve next? Today, I'm thrilled to share an early glimpse at what could be the most significant leap forward in the iPhone's history. Coming in 2025, the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are rumored to introduce a fresh and striking design, along with a ton of exciting new features. This isn't just another incremental update, it's a complete game changer. One of the most noticeable changes is happening on the back of the phone. Apple is moving away from the iconic triangular camera layout and introducing a horizontal camera bar. This marks the first time in iPhone history that the cameras won't be placed in the top left corner, a tradition that dates back to the original iPhone in 2007. The new setup will align the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses in a single row, creating a modern and clean aesthetic. The improvements aren't just cosmetic. Apple is enhancing the hardware with a 48 megapixel sensor for the telephoto lens, which matches the high-resolution capability of the main and ultra-wide cameras. This upgrade is set to make the iPhone 17 Pro's camera system one of the best in the smartphone market, potentially rivaling or even surpassing competitors like Google's Pixel. And the camera bar itself will be made of aluminum, replacing the current raised glass design with a sleek, polished look. Beyond the camera, Apple is also rethinking the material for the phone's frame. Although the iPhone 15 Pro introduced titanium, the 17 Pro is rumored to shift to aluminum. This marks the return of aluminum to Apple's flagship iPhones for the first time since 2016. Why the change? Aluminum is lighter, making the phone easier to handle while maintaining durability. The display is also getting some exciting upgrades. For starters, Apple is working to make the screen significantly more scratch-resistant, and a new anti-reflective coating will improve visibility in bright environments. Another standout change is the size of the dynamic island, which is expected to shrink thanks to advances in Face ID technology. Apple's new Meta Lens system is thinner and more efficient, which allows for this more compact design. The front-facing camera is also receiving a substantial upgrade. Apple plans to equip the iPhone 17 Pro with a 24 megapixel selfie camera, doubling the resolution of the current 12 megapixel lens. This should lead to noticeably better quality for both photos and videos taken with the front camera. Although the smaller dynamic island might seem like a minor tweak, it represents a step toward Apple's ultimate vision, a completely seamless all-screen iPhone with no visible notches or cutouts. Switching gears, let's talk about performance. The iPhone 17 Pro will be powered by the new A19 Pro chip, offering better efficiency and speed for everyday tasks and advanced features like AI-driven operations. Apple is also increasing the RAM from 8 GB to 12 GB, providing a significant boost to multitasking and future-proofing the device for years to come. Connectivity is another area where Apple is making strides. The iPhone 17 Pro will include a custom Wi-Fi 7 chip and a combined Bluetooth/Wi-Fi module, which should lead to faster, more reliable wireless connections. Looking ahead, Apple is also working on developing its own 5G modem, giving them greater control over the iPhone's network capabilities. Lastly, Apple is expanding its push toward eSIMs. More countries are expected to lose the physical SIM tray option, following the trend that started in the US. While this may simplify the phone's design, it could be a challenge in regions where eSIMs aren't yet widely adopted. All in all, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a landmark device. With its redesigned camera bar, improved materials, upgraded internals, and refined features, this could be the bold new direction that many fans have been waiting for. Remember to subscribe and follow.